According to the latest data from Glassnode, the number of active XRP addresses has jumped 490% since 2022, far outpacing Bitcoin, which only grew 10% over the same period. This shows a sharp contrast in adoption trends. Bitcoin's growth is institution-driven, while XRP is gaining strong traction among retail investors. Glassnode noted, XRP has emerged as a new retail favorite this cycle, diverging from Bitcoin's more institutional-driven rally. In other words, XRP's surge in activity is fueled not by large players, but by everyday users increasingly transacting and holding the asset. In terms of price performance, both Bitcoin and XRP have grown 5 to 6 times from their 2022 lows, but their paths were very different. Bitcoin's rise has been steady, supported by the launch of spot ETFs and geopolitical factors like the U.S. election. XRP, on the other hand, remained flat for a long time before soaring over 400% since November 2024, a pattern commonly seen when retail enthusiasm takes over. Glassnode also reported that XRP's realized market cap nearly doubled, from $30.1 billion to $64.2 billion. Notably, $30 billion of that growth came in just the last 6 months, signaling a rapid wave of fresh investment. The launch of RLUSD, a Ripple-integrated stablecoin, also played a role in XRP's adoption. Analysts from Sentiment observed that RLUSD has already surpassed $10 billion in trading volume, with adoption growing by 87%. However, there's a cautionary note. Since late February 2025, capital inflows into XRP have started to slow. Glassnode warned, many of these investors are now exposed to downside volatility, as many newcomers bought in at higher prices and now face the risk of a correction. Currently, XRP is holding above the $1.95 support level. If it can stay above this and break through resistance, a new all-time high may be possible. But if it fails, a correction of up to 40% could follow, with a head and shoulders pattern beginning to form on the charts. So, is this surge in active addresses a sign of new strength for XRP, or a warning to be cautious? Time will tell.